Which car will use the intersection first? The correct answer is the yellow car. Well, if both of the vehicles have to move at the same time and the red car wants to go straight, which direction do you think the yellow car will take? The correct answer is right turn, and it must join lane to F. Okay, let's try to answer the following 3 questions. This time I'll only say the correct answer to each question at the end of this video, so be sure to watch till the end. Question number 1. The yellow car wants to make a right turn and the red car also wants to make a right turn. Then the blue car wants to go straight. Who will use the intersection first? You can write your answer in the comments section below. Question number 2. If the yellow car wants to make a right turn and the red car wants to go straight ahead, who will use the intersection first? Just comment your answer below. Finally, the last question. If yellow car wants to turn right and the red car wants to go straight, which car will go first? I bet you know the correct answer, so why wouldn't you give this video a like and subscribe, and share with your friends too? Check this link right here and watch more videos of this type. I'm sure you're gonna learn something from them. Now these are the answer for the 3 questions we just had. Answer number 1. Well, in this scenario, there's no oncoming vehicle from the right side of the red car as we had learned from the video linked here. So with that idea, the red car can move before the rest of the vehicles. But for instance, if the red car was to go straight, it will move together with the blue car which also had wanted to go straight. The yellow car will have to wait. Answer number 2. The red car would move before the yellow one, or in other words, the yellow one must give way to the red one. This is because the yellow car would have to cross the red car's lane to make its right turn, and for any car that would need to cross the oncoming vehicle's lane must wait until the traffic is clear like this yellow car here. Otherwise, if it was supposed to go straight, then they will all move at the same time. So the correct answer is the red car that will drive first. Answer number 3. Both cars will move at the same time. This is because their lanes won't intersect at a point, or in other words, no vehicle will use the other vehicle's lane, so they will move all at the same time. Thanks for watching this video and I hope you learned something. Like and subscribe for more.